chord switching is very, very, very important. So what you want to try is to be able to do 3 steps as you switch from chord to chord. You're gonna switch from chord to chord, and what you want to do with these chords is that you want to lead with your middle finger, but also step 1, you have to lift off. Step 2, shape, make the shape of the next chord, and then 3, plant the 3 fingers down. So as you plant these down, you're gonna make the chord. Now, this is happening very quickly, and the better you understand it, the quicker you could apply it. So what I'm doing is doing these 3 steps very quickly. I'm not thinking about it anymore. But right now, we gotta think about it. We gotta take the time, build that muscle memory. Give yourself a week at least, and then you can hit me up, and I could see the video that you're taking. I'll just make some pointers and guide you along the way. So as we do this chord, you're gonna lift up after we strum, make the G chord, lead with your middle finger, then plant your notes, and that's it. And as you do that, it'll get easier and easier. We don't want to worry about a metronome just yet. Just focus on getting it correctly, and that the sound is crisp, and that you're checking your notes individually. After we learn it, we check our notes. After we get familiar with that, then we start to switch.